How does a plate of huli huli chicken turn a regular lunch into a Hawaiian memory? We were on our way to the North Shore in Honolulu, but instead of taking the usual route, we decided to go east and drive along the Kamehameha Highway. It was a sunny day, the kind where the sky looks extra blue and the palm trees sway like they're dancing to the island music. As we were driving, windows down, we suddenly smelled something amazing. It was smoky, sweet, and full of grilled goodness. We looked at each other and said, "What is that smell?" It was the kind of smell that makes your mouth water without even seeing the food. We couldn't just drive past it. So we turned the car around to follow our noses. That's how we found Yummy Huli Huli Chicken, a local spot known for their famous grilled chicken. It was tucked right off the road, with smoke rising from a big outdoor grill where chickens were roasting on open fire. We soon found out that this wasn't just any grilled chicken. Huli Huli chicken is a Hawaiian favorite. Huli means to turn in Hawaiian, and the chicken gets its name because it's flipped again and again while cooking over a grill. It's soaked in a marinade of soy sauce, brown sugar, garlic, ginger, and pineapple juice. Then it's grilled over Kiawe wood, which gives it a smoky and sweet flavor. It reminded me so much of andok's chicken from the Philippines. Crispy skin, juicy meat, and that comforting smell of roasted chicken. But this one had a tropical twist. It wasn't just a place to eat. There were novelty shops inside too, filled with Hawaiian shirts, souvenirs, and local made things. We got there just after lunch hours, so it wasn't crowded. That was perfect. We got to park easily and walk right in. There were a few more chickens grilling outside, and the smell was so strong and delicious. It was almost dizzying in the best way. The restaurant itself was bigger inside than we expected. Of course, we ordered the famous huli huli chicken. But I couldn't resist, so I added a plate of their popular garlic shrimp too. I walked around the shops before the food came out and picked out a few souvenirs, some tank tops with Hawaiian prints. Oh, it's so pretty. Then the food came out and wow, the huli huli chicken was golden brown, slightly charred on the edges, and smelled like sweet garlic and smoky soy sauce. The garlic shrimp was just as amazing. Big pieces of shrimp, buttery and full of roasted garlic flavor. It came out with rice and a side of their ever-popular macaroni salad. Oh, the smell alone could make you smile. The meat of the huli huli chicken was juicy and soft, and the skin was packed with flavor. Every bite had this perfect mix of sweet, salty, and just a bit of crunch. We were thinking of sitting at one of the picnic tables outside to eat, but the wind was kind of strong, so we ended up staying inside. With the fresh ocean air coming from the outside and that Hawaiian music serenading you, this lunch must be unforgettable. We weren't planning for this lunch stop, but somehow it became one of the best meals we had in Hawaii. It wasn't just the food. It was the surprise of it. The smell that made us turn the car around. The kind people at the counter. The laid-back vibe. The chance to shop while waiting for lunch. And the taste, that unforgettable, smoky sweet flavor of huli huli chicken that made us feel like we were getting a taste of true Hawaii. That unexpected lunch became a special memory. One we still talk about every time someone asks us, "What was your favorite part of the trip?" It wasn't something we planned. It was a moment we stumbled into something just by following our noses and being curious. Aloha.